So we've got, you know, a little guy right now, a lot of our other space is taken up with bottles and other stuff just to kind of help take care of him. So having the even extra space has been nice just for extra storage, and we really have lacked storage in the past, so extra storage has been nice. I'm Corbin.
And I'm Zach.
And we live in the Tuscany Lakes community. This area is just really great, especially with the school districts, knowing it was in the Piedmont School District and close to kind of the other side of Oklahoma City. There's just a lot of stuff in the area, not too far from downtown.
For me, the most exciting part about the home buying experience was getting to pick everything out. I work for Homeside Taber, so I get to see all the different houses and see all the different combos and everything. It really helped come up with the ideas of what we wanted the kitchen, what the tile looked like.
We went spreadsheet route and we both picked our stuff out and figured out where our common ground was to pick everything out, so it made it that much more enjoyable and the communication was a lot better.
So I moved here in August of 2021 because I got the job at Homeside Taber, and we were renting, and the idea was, well, we'll rent there for a year and then we'll see what's available, and if we can build a house, great. If not, okay, we'll do little baby steps and eventually get one. Once we kind of got an idea of quality of the houses and the pricing, it's like, I mean, we can afford it. Why not? The houses are great. I work for the company. They treat employees right.
We got a close date. That was 2 days before this guy's due date.
Once it's on the papers, that's the price. That's it. But then also being able to lock it in early as well with Stride was fantastic.
One of my favorite features is the island, which is the reason that we did go with the Hazel, because we like to cook a lot and host. So being able to have a big open space like this and have a room to cook and be able to have other people over and eat.
One of my favorite things is the backyard. It's big. I mean, there's no one behind us. There's just open field. And whenever he's big enough, he can run around back there, play. Our dog can run around and enjoy the biggest backyard she's ever had. And it's just easy to take care of. So we've had a couple of things pop up, but go online with the portal. They were responding super quick. They reached out and got all the people that needed to be contacted, and they got out the house. I think it was later that day or the next day, and everything's been taken care of and fixed, and looks like nothing ever happened.